Hi guys, my name is Kay and I'm here to show you this gorgeous bag. It's got some really fun details on the sides and it is made out of a really high quality thick silicone material. The bottom is flat so it will stand up if it has product in it, and I just cannot describe how nice this is. The zipper works really well. The material is super thick and high quality. It is like so easy to clean. If you spill something on it, you can just wipe it off, and just the absolute highest quality sturdy material. It's also huge. It holds so much. It will hold 3 water bottles in here, or I just put like 10 makeup products in there and they fit completely fine. I was gifted this for my honest review, but the quality is unbeatable. It can be used with less items like this and not take up much room. Again, the zipper is great. The silicone material is wonderful and I highly recommend.